Today we're making homemade Paczki donuts. We're going to take a break from pizza with Fat Tuesday coming up, and living in the Southeast, it's hard to find good bakery quality Paczki. The big box stores have it, grocery stores have it, but it's really just not the same, so we're going to make our own. I already added one large egg and three egg yolks and 1.5 cups of milk. I use 2%, also calls for whole milk. Then you want to add half a cup of granulated sugar to the mixture, and one bar of salted butter melted, which is about half a cup. We're also letting our yeast rise in a fourth cup of warm water. You want 4.5 teaspoons of active dry yeast. Let it raise and bubble up until you get a good foam on it. Then we'll get this mixed together. We're also adding a teaspoonful of vanilla extract and a teaspoon of salt. We're going to pour in our yeast now, and we're going to beat this and fold in 2 cups of flour as it's beating. We're going to let the mixture beat for 2 minutes. We're going to change out the beater for our dough hook and get that on there. We're going to add some olive oil to that just to make sure the dough is not sticking to it. And with this, we're going to continue to mix it and fold in another 3.5 cups of flour. We're going to shape our dough and then cover it and let it rise for at least an hour. Our dough is risen, and now we're going to roll it out until it gets to about a 1/2 inch for us to cut it up. I'm going to cut up the dough to make our donuts, and I'm just using top of a mason jar. You can use any biscuit cutter that you may have, cookie cutter, and it ended up making 12 donuts. Now that we have our donuts, we're going to cover this and let it rise another 30 minutes before we get into the oil. During this time, we're going to heat our oil to about 325 to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now that the oil is to temperature, putting in 3 donuts at a time and letting it cook for 2 to 3 minutes on one side, and then flip it and fry it for another 1 to 2 minutes on the other side. It should be golden brown when you flip it, and you want that nice pale strip right in the center. This first batch I could have left in a little longer, but I also didn't have a stopwatch going. I found it's really helpful to make sure you have some timer going, just because you can lose track of time really easily while it's in the fryer. Once it's done frying, put it in a slotted pan to just make sure any of the excess oil goes off, and then it's ready to coat in granulated sugar, and then I transferred it to powdered sugar after that. I like to make sure they're nice and covered on all sides and top and bottom. My favorite flavor is raspberry, and so I'm just using raspberry jelly from the grocery store to pipe it in. Just put my piping tool in halfway and then fill it out to the edge on it. You can use any of your favorite ingredients though to fill your donuts. You can see the color in the second batch came out perfectly for that. These ended up tasting great, exactly what I was hoping for, and I would definitely do this recipe again. Please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.